Happy birthday!
Mommy, what is that?
You got the bills.
Oh my god. So much. Come on. Just a little late. Come on. Oh. And then it's dripping all over the cake now. It's not as easy as it's Oh, come on.
About 24 candles.
I know. If there was 24, it'd be easy. And it'd all be covered in wax, and it would taste like wax. So that's why we're not doing that. Okay. Can we start now? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jamie. Happy birthday to you.
Jamie.
24, still feels 16.